Take a ride in the 2017 Chevy Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, power brakes, cruise control, power windows, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.